Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to join Turnitin without an enrollment key or class ID. So basically, they have changed the structure of their account page. So here you will see that for instructor and TA or teacher assistants, you will have access if your administrator has added you to the account. So basically, you really need an administrator to log in without a class ID. Because for the class IDs and the enrollment key, these are only for students, which is called the self-enroll. So here, once the administrator has added you on the list, you will receive a welcome email to set up the account. And then here you go to turnitin.com and then select setup account and then enter your email address and last name. So basically that's it. Or you can go to your Google account or any of your email account and then you will see the link to where you will input your password and create a Turnitin account.